Hello guys, I welcome you all to the SOR show, and today I will show you my June month's earning. And why do I show you the earnings? Uh, whatever channel you are following, whatever person you are following, it is very important that the leader you follow should prove himself and he should be making money from the market. So I have seen many of the people who are running a channel but they do not show their income, so there is no use of watching the videos or following those people. So theoretically you can say anything. There's so many gyan you can spread all over the internet, but it is important to show that yes, you can make money from the share market. So I have already made videos on my monthly incomes from April, May, and now I will show you my June's earning. So let's before we start, I would like to tell you that in the month of June I had withdrawn the money, entire money. So at the end of the June, so it's not for the entire month, but still few days I was able to do the trade. So first, I have a few accounts. I have Zerodha account, I have Angel Broking account. So I will go to one by one. We'll see the earning for the month of June. July I was not trading because I had withdrawn the fund. So I will show you the July month's performance as well, but it will be nominal because I had no fund in the month of July. So I will show you that also because I want to continue, so I don't want to skip any of the months, so it becomes authentic. So this account is in my name, so I will show you. This is the kite interface. If you want to open an account in Angel or Zerodha, so you can go to the description and you can open the account free of cost. So there are charges in account opening, so you can contact me and it will be free for you. I can pay on your behalf. So we'll go to console, then you go to reports and profit and loss. So I don't trade in equity, so you know that I trade in future and options. So for the month of June 1 to June 30th. So this is the realized profit and loss, 13,000 around 500. You can see I have traded in Bank Nifty, mostly DLF options, Bank Nifty and DLF option. Okay. So this is for this account. It is for the month of June. Related account, June profit and loss. So this is for June and this is 13,500. 13,500. This is for June only, so I can do this. Okay, then I'll go to another account. This is in my name and this is in the name of my wife. We'll go to console, reports, profit and loss, future option, then June 1 to June 30. This is around 68,227. So we'll take it 68,000 only. 68,000 only is for. Okay, now we'll close it. I have another account. So this is yes, my account. This is my account. We'll go to Fusion options. And then we'll go to profit and loss. So it shows for the entire this financial year. So if I want to see, so maybe I can, yes, pick up this. Here April, May, and this is June transaction. So see, this is the profit for the month of June. And pick this. So this is yes, for my account. G 1002. Then one more account is left. We go to future options, then profit and loss. So in June there is no transaction in June. So this is the total. So this comes out to 99,000, around 99,000. So this is for the month of June. So guys, if you want to see my earning for the previous months, so you can go to the description. I have provided the link for those videos to verify, and if you want to connect with me, I have given my number as well, so I can help you out. You can connect with me, and that is all. Moreover, I am a certified equity and derivative expert, certified from NISN. Thank you very much for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.